some 3S'ing or C&O, cleaning and organizing. A few weeks ago we had the scrap go and I never put these buckets back, so I organized them all up, labeled them. I'd like to make a cart so I can just wheel this on out, load it with the fork truck right onto the truck, and the guy could unload them and only touch them once. Anybody got any good ideas? I'd like to hear them. While I was over here, I saw these shop vac attachments. Yeah, not a good place for them. Where can I put them? Hey, right here next to the shop vac on this wall, I think. And I could use it to clean the floor. What an idea. Yeah, that's just thinking, Bill. So here we go. We put those up on the wall. Looks good. Now it's easy to clean. While I was in here, we used some C-clamps to hold things together to bead blast. I used to walk in the other room. Let's put a hook up there. Let's buy a few clamps. And my buddy Ron, I think it was, gave me this idea. Using a pool noodle to fill the mop bucket. Anything to make life a little easier. And of course, after you get done, you gotta have a place to put it. So now we got a place. Thanks for watching, everyone.